Why the police is never around when stuff like this happens? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to I'm sorry y'all, it's a car literally backing up to get in the left turning lane. Why the police is never around when stuff like this happens? Anyway, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I believe I have another video, but I don't know if this one going to go out first or not. If you're new, I'm Kiki. I'm known for Kiki, but my name is Kei'ona. I do fashion. I don't do hair videos. Lifestyle, fashion, decorative stuff. That's what my channel pertains to. I'm actually on my way now. Today is the perfect time for me to go and see different bedding ideas because I want to redo 2 of my rooms at my home. So I'm actually on my way to go find Pompous. I have to go all the way downtown, but I mean, I don't mind traveling. I like going to different places. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and yeah. Welcome. Okay guys, so I've never been over here before. It's called Westside, or I don't know. So this is nice. I don't know where to go because there's so many nice places. This is called Providence. What's in here? Oh, that's one. I've heard about Flower Child.
You and me belong together. We need each other.
This is me. This is all me. Right here. This is me. Oh, this is beautiful. Formal. This is more of a guy, I feel, right here. Made it back. Well, I ain't make it back home yet, but they didn't have my pompous that I wanted, and hold on, somebody coming out. Sorry, they was looking. Need some old people. I went to the flower shop all the way downtown, and they didn't have my specific pompous that I wanted. So right about now, I'm not about to spend my money on something that I really don't. I know that I'm not going to be satisfied with. So I told her that I'd call her back, but most likely I'm gonna find it somewhere else. I really want to go down there, and come to find out, it was a nice area. I never been over there. It's called Westside, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So what else? I got this. It's called Savannah Bee place. I'm gonna put their Instagram, everything that I got today. Well, even I was supposed to get pompous, I didn't get it, but I got sidetracked. So I got this honey. The place is dope, y'all. It's very nice. And I got the whipped honey cinnamon. They have lemon orange citrus. They have so many, and they have big bottles. They even have big wine bottles. So I wanted to try this because in the morning I can put this in my tea or on a biscuit or something like that. So yeah, I got that. And it was this bakery called Five Daughters. And I had got 2 cronuts, 1 cinnamon apple, and 1 brownie batter filled with buttercream. So I'm gonna save this for tonight. And I know I gotta lose weight, and I'm always buying bread and pasta, but I'm gonna get it together. And I wanted to get something to eat, so I got this place called Brown Bag Seafood, and they stuff looked good, and they looked like they was vegetarian, because it's always a place that, yeah, they sell seafood, but they had different variety of if you are vegan. So I will definitely be coming back and taking my sister here. So I know she like that. So I got I wanted to play it safe, and I had got a salad and some cod. They had salmon and shrimp and tuna. But I didn't want to be that type of person to say, well, is your shrimp farm raised? So I didn't get it. So they had, I got a salad, and it came with, I don't know what type of sauce this is, but I had got my own buttermilk ranch, and they had something called the boss sauce. So I had got that. I seen it on the side. So I got a container of that. Let me show you how they package their stuff. It was a nice atmosphere. They was very welcoming and polite. But yeah, this is the salad. I had got cod, fried cod, and the salad looks really good. Oh, okay. I thought this was lemon herb. This is because they gave me a ranch. So I'm gonna sit here and eat this, and man, that old lady could run. It's always those people that be getting those huge SUVs and don't know how to park. He's still backing up. You know what? Anyway, as long as they don't hit me. But y'all, I'll talk to y'all a little later.
For that though. Let's see. Other, oh no. Period. What is this though? I don't. Take that. I don't see nothing all right. Nothing all right. No. Let's see. Yeah. No. These are just little pictures. That's kind of cute. Here is, okay, here we go. Wait, the shower stop. Where is the panel? This is all shower stuff. Ooh, this is pretty. Where am I at? Home organization. Where are the panels? Ooh. Couch is nice. It's the color for me. What else I got back here? Let's see. Pillows. There's panels. I don't know, I feel like I'm walking the surface, but I'm really not. I don't believe I am. What size is this? 55. No, not 55. You guys, I gotta, cause I gotta look for my drapes. I'll give you an update when I get it.